Pop-ups versus rollovers. Traditionally, swimmers learn to swim by doing a form of dog paddle where they either keep their head up all the time or pop up for quick breaths now and then. Rollover swimming allows the swimmer to swim horizontally and roll laterally onto their back to rest and take as long a breath as they would like before rolling back over and swimming again to a destination, always having the ability to remain on their back in case they need extra time to rest and relax. Rollover swimming is the only way for babies and young toddlers with proportionately large heads to recover for air and to make efficient forward progress toward a destination. This style of swimming does not require strength or endurance. It promotes the development of breath control and trust in their buoyancy, which makes it possible for them to learn to comfortably balance in the water. All three factors are required to develop a relaxed, safer swimmer who is autonomous with the water and able to control it. This will eventually make it easy and natural for them to teach themselves, or easily learn from a teacher, to independently hang out and recover for air at will while assuming any vertical, diagonal, or horizontal position they choose. When needing to rest and assume a position that allows forever breathing, and when not able to swim to a destination or stand up, they can resort to using the back float that they initially mastered. Rollover swimming requires less coordination for beginners to master the physical requirements of swimming with better habits. Students are able to fully learn to swim without pulling. This gives them the chance to focus on better flutter kick development and balanced breath recovery, which will streamline their efforts to master the technical skills of efficient pulling in stroke school. Proper freestyle and backstroke are easier to learn because rollover swimming inspires a more horizontal swim posture, lateral breath recovery, and flutter kick.